Mugi, some of the GE daw, Griffin Empire, got queued out.
So, come sa tis. Careful na
They're...
sa
Oh,
tower.
never
Careful na
mind.
sa tower.
They're
Careful na
40
sa
days array
tower.
at Hollow.
Kamas. Yeah. Yo, listen. Rotation guard rune. Just smash, okay? Smash. Rotation guard rune on the gate. On the guard. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guard.
Garden team,
Yo,
garden
listen.
team.
People with hammer. Guard rune in the front and smash front line. Hello? Malika! Hello! Hammer! Yeah.
Yo, I need help hammering, please.
Spread. Just
Careful,
guard on front line. Come back, okay? If they engage, come back. Clerical. Hammer the gate first. Spread any.
Bomb lock
Careful.
lock in front.
Careful.
Wait,
Yo, can we kidnap Rookie? Come back. Hilap. Yeah, good. Yeah, come in.
Careful,
Come Kaitis. Come Northeast, okay? Yeah.
Subutay sa
Sorry,
west
sorry,
side,
sorry.
subutay.
Yeah. Just wait. Okay. Careful. Just don't OC it. They didn't OC it. Subotay OC already, okay?
GE going to trail, Mugi.
It's okay. Let them.
Yo, Mokya,
My Q isn't in. Just, you listen, hammer gate. Careful on the front, okay? Yo, Spirit Hunter, try to kidnap, okay? Everybody that step out gate, kidnap. Okay? Careful in front line. Smash, more people smash.
JFI main
Guard
side,
rune,
diba?
rotate guard rune. Just rotate guard rune, boys. Careful in front, okay, just hold. Hammer, keep hammer. I have. Careful, okay? Yo, some tanks watch west side, okay? Yo, bomb squad, watch west side, okay? The gate, careful. Just wait.
Bomb front.
My party hold here, careful. Bomb on the farm, careful on the west side, okay? Who that?
Careful west, over the wall.
Careful west over the wall, okay? Just smash gate. No one die. Just smash gate, okay? Shallow. Ready def. Just guard rune. Only 3 people, 4 people smash. Yeah. Malika can OC, okay? Can OC. Oh, no. Careful. JXXBA, okay? On the west side, careful.
They hit one.
Mugi, Griffin going sting.
It's okay. No, I don't care about Griffin. It's fine. My Q is in the den. It's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Bami, you inside also? Careful. Yeah, no. Just smash.
Rookie is on deep west side, Rookie on the deep
Yeah,
west side.
I need tanks watching west side, okay?
They might go out around.
What's on the north blob? Is that me, north blob?
Yes.
Yo. It's okay. My Q in den. It's okay. Griffin Empire in sync. It's okay. Yeah. It's okay. Griffin in sync. So it's okay.
Mugun, nina sa west side.
JXB, west side.
JXXB on the west side, okay? Kamis. Yo, JXXB on the west side, He go back. Yo, hammer.
Yeah, everyone have
Hammer. It's okay, hammer. How many percent? Yo, don't hit.
Ah,
Don't hit
bamba
block,
na to,
don't hit
bamba
block,
na
let
to,
him open.
Don't hit, don't hit.
Possible
Don't
bump,
hit.
possible bump,
Don't hit,
possible
let
bump
him
in front,
open.
ah. That's a clamper.
Hammer. Yo, can one Marika go inside and open the fucking gate? Yo, don't hit block here. Oh fuck.
That's-
He can't
That's
open
block,
yet.
that's
Okay.
block.
Where's my flag? Can somebody
Jenny
get my
also on the
flag?
southwest side. Jenny southwest side. Jenny.
Yeah, no.
They're waiting you to go inside.
Smash. Listen, Bum, focus on me, okay? They try to full push in, just keep killing inside and kite. That's it. Do not go flashy, go deep, okay? Just keep fucking... Jurogi, careful, Jurogi. You're not gonna be able to go out there.
Yeah.
Smash wall. Yeah. Yeah. Smash it, smash wall. Ready, are they second floor? Yeah, listen, just kill inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, kill inside. Yo, tank west side, please. I need tank west side. Come back. Yo, listen,
Jenny's
focus on
below
smashing
the-
wall first.
Jenny's
Smash wall
below
first.
the-
Okay. Smash wall first.
They might gonna wrap around here. Ah. They might gonna.
Yeah, just somebody watch it, okay? Somebody watch it. Smash the walls, okay? Yo,
Hard
the tank
smoking
smash
sa atin, ah.
the tank smash the front line, okay? The tank smash the front line. Listen. Guard on front line only, okay? Guard on front line only. Just wait. Careful in the front line. Just
Scare hard
smash.
siya.
Careful.
Hodge west.
Sandy on your west.
Yeah, Jenny on my west, okay? I see him. Yeah, careful. Yeah,
Someone pull the hood.
come in W a bit. Yeah.
I
Malika,
can
just
pull
take the
that.
northwest side, okay? Yeah. Smash this, okay? Smash this. Careful in the front line. Smash here. Listen, tanks, smash the south side fast. Smash the south side. Go. Careful on the west side, okay? Tanks, I need somebody watching that gate on the west side, okay? Kill the guards inside. Smash. Tanks, smash the south side, man!
Wait, I'll smash.
This wall. Somebody watch the southwest. Careful.
Watch the
Tell
hodge,
me when they go going out.
watch.
tayo west.
Careful, guard in front line, careful. Yeah, we hammering north side. Yo, hammer this also, Malika. Hammer this here. On me.
Did you engage on the...
Come west.
They on the
Come
mage move.
back. Come back. Yo, smash.
Oh, she's looking.
Careful on the west side. Kill the guards here.
Yo, Zay, on the
Careful,
west!
careful.
Jenny.
Careful.
Jenny.
Come east side. Yeah. Come east. Ready there.
Hodge,
Jenny on my
inside,
west, okay?
inside.
Jenny on my west, okay? Come
Hodge
east.
inside, ah.
Yeah, it's okay. We're good. It's okay. Smash wall. They're on the west side, okay, Foko? They're on the west side. Rookie also on the west side, okay? Careful.
Oh, shit.
Smash the gate. Smash the walls, tank. Smash the walls. One wall, please. One wall at a time, motherfuckers.
That's block on the north side, ah. Don't hit him.
That's block on the SC. Okay.
Don't hit him.
Kill the guards inside, boys. Kill the basing guards. Inside.
Sino main call mo, Gi? JXB or
Careful.
J5?
JXXB.
Okay.
Careful. You smash wall. Lala. Can you screenshot later, Bami, your cluster so I can check why? Cause if whole Kaba
Part
is inside,
JXB,
you
my part.
2-2 eh. Yeah, smash wall. Smash this wall here. Southwest. Just smash this wall in the southwest. Guard it on the south side. Bami, where are you? Smash, smash, smash this, keep smashing.
Family fighting GE insane.
Family fighting G, okay, okay.
82% for the
Insane.
wall.
Smash the walls, boys, smash the walls, first. Careful, GA looking, okay? Might engage over the wall. Kill guard
Kinda
inside,
looking.
boys,
Back
okay?
up a bit.
Yo, Bumps, listen, you engage first, okay? When
Double
if they
looking,
try
ah.
to push in, you engage first, okay? Jug, just keep stacking and kiting, okay? I will only hit front line, I won't hit deep, okay? Jug, you understand, Jug?
Yep.
Oh. Yeah, wait. Yeah, hammering the wall, Hammer this wall, Malika. On me.
40% now, 40% now.
JXX be looking, Def shallow. Nice, heal up, Podi. Okay, good. We good.
Careful a second engage.
Smash wall.
Wall's 30% now.
Yo, balista cover me.
25.
Keep smashing wall.
I can't find Jenny. Jenny on the southwest side.
Jenny
South
hard
of
south,
tower,
hard
south
south.
tower, south tower.
Wall's gonna break
South
soon.
tower.
JXB hard south, looking at
Breaking the
Hey,
east side.
smash. Smash wall, dispatch this wall, don't step up, smash wall only. Do not step up, smash wall only, this wall, I need more space.
Wall fast.
We need more space here,
Yeah.
careful in front, okay? Battlemounts, careful. Jug, just stuck front line,
80%
please.
now, 80%.
Careful, okay?
60%.
Yo, look at Jug, okay?
Jenny,
Wait.
JXB looking at you.
Yeah, they both looking at us, okay? Careful. Listen, ready defenses to pull back, okay? So,
Just ko na sa atin tinatingin, ah.
yeah, they all looking at us, just wait.
Pero so
Yeah,
good.
yan.
My tank's so small, so fucking slow, man. Yo, more people smash. Smash, more people smash fast.
We might not have more than 2 hammers maybe.
No, he. Yo, listen. Can
Walls
we?
gonna break,
Jug
walls
stuck
gonna
in front,
break
Tony.
in
Jug stuck in
10%.
front, Tony. Stuck in front, Tony. Stuck in front, Tony. Okay. Just stuck in front. Don't be scared. Okay. Yo,
walls
listen.
down, walls
Get
down,
ready.
walls down.
Okay.
That's stuck inside, ah.
Careful,
That's stuck
careful.
inside, ah. Careful.
Yeah. Careful. Okay, wait. Careful. Come north. Wait. Just stuck. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, Jenny looking. Okay, Jenny looking. Careful. Just wait. Yo, just stuck on top of Jenny. Okay, just stuck on Jenny. Listen. Careful. Oh, don't. Yo, bounce squad, you can engage first. Okay. Ready, def. Yeah. Yo, bounce, go. Bounce. Just engage shallow. Okay, just shallow only. Yeah. Malika, get ready. Hold, heal up. Nice. Hold on. Help front line, come back. Jenny looking, okay? Get ready to counter the juggernaut, okay? Heal up.
Invis bomb.
Yo, ready there.
Wait,
Malika,
wait.
southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on Jenny. Come back fast.
Bomb side.
Ready there. Heal up front line.
JXB dead.
Yeah. Heal up. Careful west.
Careful south.
Help my west. Walk west now.
Jenny on choke, on the search, ah.
West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything choke now. Choke now. Come northwest. Yo, this is me NW. Come northwest. Yeah, come NW. Push out NW. Yo, careful. Poco, this me NW. Poco, this me NW. Def. Bro, it's me. Come any. Come south. Rookie dead. They all dead. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Yo, kill this guy inside. Full engage on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy inside. Come back north. You mean go SE? No. Okay.
Pa-revive ako, nasa mid siya.
Yo, Malika, mage. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mage. Kill mage. Wait. Wait, let me launch. Let me get banner launch.
Reawaken.
Can
someone help revive?
Reawaken.
Can someone help revive?
Have middle.
Someone go reawaken.
Reawaken. Yo, fuck off, launch. You want top what JXXB? Lol. Ay, wala. Kami. Yeah, we have friendly fight. Yeah. No cap, right? No cap. Bragi is still there, right? No cap. Everyone come in. Yeah. Okay.
We dismounted na may CJ ah.
I know.
Bro. Mami, did you just call 5-2-1? What the fuck?
Triple ST, Blackbeard Zaza yung isang BM, ano Bamso, diba?
Listen, they have triple ST.
Mugi
They have
happy day
6-0.
mugi
Blackbird
mo.
What?
isa.
What?
Blackbeard Zaza.
What do you mean Rick Fade? What?
Rip
What
glaive,
different?
happy day.
Happy day on Rift Glaive, okay? Happy day on Rift Glaive.
Dismounted ah.
What? What do you mean dismounted?
And they catching scouts, I'm scouting.
Yeah, they catching scouts, so careful.
Opa.
Yo, spread. Yo, my main Zerg, make sure you guys are with me, okay?
Other
We
than
kill
that,
tank up front, okay? We kill tank front line first. Yo, Marika, look at me.
Oh,
Get
they
ready, by the
dismounted.
way.
They moving to you.
Yo, Marika, they coming now, okay? Put up. Wait, are they coming to me? Yo, go.
Yeah,
Fight
dismounted.
start already, okay? Careful. Come is spread, okay?
Shady, same shit.
Careful. Tell me if you see Fakol.
Dismounted.
Come back.
Fakol,
Hold.
south side.
Hold any side. Spread any side, okay? Just hold. Ready def in front. Don't stick to the wall, boys. Don't stick to the wall.
Hammer cut queuing.
Yeah.
Fuck call is southwest.
They looking shallow, care. Spread. Careful. Fakol stepping up, listen, they stepping up, careful. Bomb squad on the west, careful, happy day on the west, heal. Malika, get ready to headbutt, okay? Malika, look at, wait, hold.
Southwest mo pa ko
Fakol looking, okay? Fakol looking, careful. Stack front only, Jug. Stack front only. Just keep stacking. Just keep dropping your Q, my nigga. Why do I feel like you're canceling? Def, bomb, shallow, heal up. Damn on raid, come on, man. Guard room, there's 2 bombs northwest, okay? Careful. Yo, listen, just bomb, focus front line, okay? Careful on west side, heal up. Heal up. Careful, okay? Fako looking, careful. Come back northeast, okay? Wait, come back northeast, just wait. Yo, listen, bomb jump, just engage shallow, okay? Just engage shallow. Careful, Hello Kitty. Malika, get ready to headbutt, okay? Heal up. Careful, Fakol in the southwest. Heal up. Bami, just support me on Fakol, okay? Fakol on the south side. He gonna look. Ready headbutt, ready potion. He looking. Wait, ready. Heal up. Malika, spread. They're walking, okay? Careful. Malika, west side, headbutt. West side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Okay, now listen. Hold any. Careful on the south, okay? Careful on the south. Spread any. Bomb. Careful. Heal up front line. Okay? Listen. Fakol on my SW, okay? Careful. Heal up front line. Heal up. Listen. Just play it a little bit tighter. Careful, Fakol looking. Marika, ready your potion. Ready to headbutt, okay? Heal up. Wait. Heal up south. Potion, south, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, south out. Heal up. Yo, listen. Kill the tanks inside. Fakol looking northwest. Careful.
Kita mo yung ibang mount? Yung ibang
Heal up. Listen. Fakol last engage soon, okay? Fakol last engage. Malika, he looking soon, okay? Careful. Spread any. Just wait. Malika, get ready, okay? Look at tank shallow. Wait. Heal up. Careful. They're looking. Just hold. Ready, Def. Bomb squads, be careful, please. Fakol stepping up. He's stepping up. Careful. Fake. Ready, Def. Ready to headbutt. Ready, potion again. Spread, boys. Fakol looking. Potion. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now. Inside, everything. Nice. Now heal up. Spread. Fakol 1 HP. Fakol 1 HP inside. Spread any. Def inside. Bomb coming deep. Careful. Spread any up. Heal up. Okay, heal up my northwest. Come back southwest, okay? Careful. Listen. Fakol last engage. He's gonna engage soon. Marika, get headbutt. Get ready. Wait. Hold on. Just wait. Careful south side, boys. Come on, man. Heal up. Can I get a tank on the south side calling out fucking bomb and engages, man? Fakol looking southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Heal up. Figure fast, okay? Heal up. Careful. Bomb coming in. Hello Kitty coming in. 6-0 coming deep. Heal up fast. Heal up fast. Listen, Marlika. Fakol last engage soon, okay? Boys, get ready. Ready your potion. Hold. Ready, Def. Marlika, stop them. CC them. Marlika, get ready. Counter south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Counter south now. On me. Big. Now spread and heal up. Listen. Good. Okay, we're doing good. Heal up. Bigger fast, okay? Heal up only. Listen. Step up southwest now. Tank, CC them. Listen, Fakol is going southwest, okay? Careful per turn. Bomb squads, be careful on the northwest. Fakol gonna look soon, okay? Listen, spread far. He's gonna engage soon. Spread far. Okay, spread far.
West,
Not too far northeast, okay? You're walking. Careful. Heal up. Fakol gonna look soon. Ready, depth north. Malika, walk southwest. Just walk. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Big. It's all of them. Now spread and heal up. Listen, regear fast, okay? Spread northeast. Careful on the northwest. Listen. Come any. CC southwest. Come any bit. Come northeast a bit. Listen, Fakol gonna look soon. Tank CC. I'm not seeing any CC. Fakol going deep. Def. Fake. Listen, boys, ready potion. Malika, potion. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside crown. Spread. Ready, Def on me. Heal up. Regear fast, boys. Okay? Regroup fast, okay? Regroup on any side, okay? Regroup on any side. We're good. Come to me. Come to me on any side. Listen, come to me on the any side. Spread. Careful, okay? Focal walking deep, okay? Look at south side. Listen, DPS, look at south side. DPS, get ready. Spread around. We're gonna counter his DPS, okay? Spread around. Listen, DPS, spread on the south side. Spread around him. He's gonna engage soon. Ready, def, okay? Oh, dude, Malika, look at south side. DPS, look at south side. South side, get ready. South side, get ready. Step up, south side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side on me. Now spread. Def inside. Heal me. Boys, come to me. North side, okay? Heal up. Boys, where's my main zerg, man? Come north. Can I get heals on me? Heal on me. Yo, stop kiting north, bomb. Stop kiting north. Push through and spread. I'm behind them. Push through and spread. Spread. SE. Heal me on the SE. Spread. Get ready. Tank CC them. Make sure CC focal. Bombs, can you stop kiting, man? Come in with you. Look at northwest. Get ready. DPS. Heal up. Look at on focal. Get ready. On me. Focal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me now. Now spread NW side. Listen. Spread NW side. Hold the choke. Spread NW side. Spread. Fakol gonna look soon. Fakol gonna look west side. Fakol walking west side deep. Careful. Fakol walking west side deep. Malika, careful east side. Bomb on the northeast side. Look at northeast side. DPS. Look at northeast side. 5 seconds. Look at northeast side. Okay. Wrap around. Look at north side. Northwest side. Get ready. Northwest side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North on me. Now spread. Where's the DPS, man? Can you guys check gear? Where's the DPS? What are you guys taking so long? Spread on the northwest side. Fakol looking. Ready def. Fakol looking. Spread. Fakol looking. Careful. Spread northwest side. Careful. Heal up inside. Heal on me. Heal on me fast. Heal on me fast. Go GG.